Do you want to know the key to helping your kids with algebra so they truly understand it? It has to do with this and this. There are two important concepts that hands-on equations deals with. One is that equations are basically a balance, where the left side of the equation has to equal the right side. The other major issue that kids don't understand sometimes is that a variable like x is an unknown value. It doesn't have a number attached to it. So we use these pawns to represent a missing value, and then a dice like this can very clearly show that this side is 5. So this shows that one pawn has the same value as 5. This is in balance. This equation shows two pawns, or two x's, equals 4. So you could see it as x plus x equals 4, where each x has to be 2, because in any given problem, each x has to be worth the same amount. But also, this gives kids a chance to clearly see that x plus x and 2x are equivalent. And so at this point, they can also clearly understand why division is necessary to get to x equals 2, because oftentimes kids don't really understand why they're doing this. They don't really clearly see the notation here as being meaningful. This equation shows 2x's plus 2 equals 4. And by virtue of being a balance, kids can learn they can remove the same amount from both sides. So they can take 2 off of this side and 2 off of this side, and it doesn't change the balance. So this 2 is gone, and this 4 becomes a 2. So what they're doing is they're seeing this without having to just memorize something, right? This is a 0 pair. So 2x's equals 2. So each x equals 1, because 1 plus 1 is 2. There's a lot more. This process can get very deep and meaningful. So please like and follow and be prepared to watch more. Thanks. Bye.